Hey everyone, Greg here with Octoclean Media. Today we're taking a bit of a departure from our backpack vacuums that we usually rely on to test out something different. The ProForce 1500XP upright vacuum from ProTeam. This video is sponsored by ProTeam and we're excited to showcase one of their upright options. If you have followed us for a while, you know that we have trusted ProTeam backpack vacuums for years. Their equipment is built for pros and built to last. So whether you're running a commercial crew or handling high-end residential accounts, this vacuum could be a great fit for your toolkit. Upright vacuums are good for single tasks that are straightforward, especially helpful for high pile carpet and in cleaning entryways and hallways. Think of those executive offices with that plush, thick carpet in commercial buildings or residential cleaning services. The ability to turn off the brush roll enables the vacuum to clean over hard, durable surfaces without damaging the flooring. This unit comes packed with features. It's powered by a dual motor system for the brush, roller, and suction, so you're not sacrificing performance in either department, and the ability to vacuum carpet and hard, durable surfaces. The airflow hits 96 CFM with 84 inches of lift. That's strong enough for deep carpet cleaning and great dust pickup. The HEPA media filter captures 98.7% of particles down to 0.3 microns. Great for improving air quality, especially in homes, schools, and healthcare environments. The 15-inch wide path makes it efficient for large areas, and the L-shaped head lets you get around furniture legs without missing a beat. The unit also lays entirely flat to go under low obstacles. It comes with a 50-foot yellow safety cord long enough to get through multiple rooms without switching outlets constantly. There's also a full onboard toolkit, a wand, crevice tool, a dust brush built right in. That gives you the flexibility for baseboards, upholstery, and those tight corners. And it's quiet too, only 67 dBA. That's ideal for occupied workspaces like medical offices, schools, or residential homes where people are working or relaxing. All right, let's put the ProForce 1500XP to work so you can see how it performs in a real-world setting. I'll use the vacuum on a few different surfaces, use the onboard tools, and give you my honest thoughts as we go. All right, so let's talk about how it feels. It's very balanced. While it might seem heavy, probably in the box, when you're actually in the using position, it's very light, very balanced. The handle's really comfortable. The end of the handle where it actually is enclosed is actually a benefit, I think, to me. It makes it so the end user doesn't have to really hold it very tight, so that it's, you know, basically have your hand in there and it's just going to keep it on and not have to worry about it. I do really like how the suction wand is not an afterthought, because a lot of times when you get these vacuums, everyone's like, oh, we have a suction wand too. This one really seems like it was intended to be here. It's larger than your usual diameter, so it's not going to get as clogged. Really like that. The onboard tools are really handy. They don't fall off, so they're really like it was designed to be there. So you're not going to have them lost everywhere when you're walking around a building or, you know, residential space. Same for the duster. Works really well. So it's not your typical just slide it on. It'll actually go on and stay where you want it to stay. So as you can see, at this point I'm vacuuming this hardwood floor. Right now I have, you know, dual motor, so I have one of the motors off, the one that's controlling the beater bar, and it's effortlessly light. So I really like that. It may look heavy duty and feel like that when you're picking it up, but it's very, very light in hand. As you can see, I'm about to go from hardwood floor to concrete. So I'm gonna go over the little rubber bump, and I can't even tell as the end user. And then the hardest thing is, yeah, a lot of vacuums can go from hardwood or hard floor to carpet, but it's this setting where now I'm on carpet and I don't have to bend down. I don't have to readjust my vacuum. It's just effortless, and it's actually pretty amazing. Going into like chairs like this, that lay down function is great. I can get it this way. I can come around and get to the front of it and actually use the L shape to vacuum. And then if I need to get further down, I can bring it all the way down to the point where That's how far I can bring the vacuum out. So if I'm underneath a couch or a table, it makes it really, really easy. Someone's desk. And the L shape makes me so I don't have to move these chairs every time. So first impressions, the ProForce 1500XP brings a lot to the table. Great suction, smart design, it's easy to maneuver, and it's especially useful for those of you who might be working in a residential environment or transitioning into a commercial cleaning environment. We love working with ProTeam because they consistently deliver high-performance tools that make cleaning easier. And this model is no exception. If you want to check it out for yourself, there's a link in the description. And if you've used this vacuum or have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more product reviews, cleaning tips, and business tools for pros like you. Thanks for watching.